15 is 3 marks. The question gave you this nice shape and they ask you to find angle ACO. ACO is this angle here. There is no other information, it's just these two angles. Now, how do you find this? You can pause the video and try it yourself. To solve this question, I will make a line here. Now, this is a radius, isn't it? Because it's from the center of the circle to the circumference. Now, if we look at this triangle here, this is an isosceles triangle because this line is equal to that. And similarly, on the other side, this is equal to this, so this is isosceles also. Now, this is very good. If you have two isosceles triangles, then we can find the angle on the top there. So this is 21, that means this was also 21 because these are equal. And this is 36 and these are equal, so that means this is also 36. So this angle up here is 36 plus 21, which is 57, right? Yes, it is 50. Yes, it is 57. That's good. Now the first part is done successfully. Now, using the central angle theorem, this angle here is double of this angle. So if that's 57, this is 114. That's amazing. Now, looking at this nice triangle here, it's also isosceles triangle. Why? Because this length is a radius and this length is a radius and the radius is equal. That means we can find this angle now easily. How? We do 180 minus 114 sorry, 180 minus 114, that gives you 66. Yes, and then if these are equal, then these angles are equal. How do you find them? Divide by 2. So each angle is 33. So angle ACO is 33, and that's your 3 marks for this question. Was it easy? Alright, let's look at question 13.